Now, what can you do if your iPhone is glitching, or why is your iPhone glitching and pressing random things? Now, there might be multiple different reasons behind this. Well, a lot of times there is just a plain screen damage behind this, right? So if you know that you have your screen cracked, you dropped your iPhone, potentially water got inside of that, well, this might be the biggest issue. And like, even if your screen is totally okay, you'll probably notice that in case you have some water on the screen, it makes using the phone very, very much harder, right? So in case you have some water, you can click things, and even if just water drops on somewhere, it might activate like different parts of the display. And imagine the water getting under the first layer of the display, through the cracks and everything. This might make the device do really weird stuff, right? So that's something that obviously needs to be fixed. You cannot really fix it at home, so you're gonna have to bring it somewhere to the Apple Store or something. But in case you want to make sure that there isn't anything software related going on or something like that, I would always recommend you to just get the latest iOS version, just update to the latest one, and make sure that if there are any like iOS glitches or some things that needs to be resolved, at least keep your iPhone up to date, because it can only be fixed with a software update. One other interesting thing that could cause this is also a screen protector, which isn't really, certified or installed properly, and this might cause like similar effects of not being able to touch something or touching some other things accidentally. So definitely keep that in mind. And also, when it comes to software, perhaps you have some sort of accessibility feature turned on, like, with the voiceover, the iPhone is really, doing, appears to be doing some kind of random things, right? But it is actually a feature, right? Every single thing that you tap on is going to be like read out loud to you, and it seems like it's doing some erratic behavior, but it's just a feature, right? And also there is like the assistive touch and other stuff. So make sure to check out if the feature or the problem isn't caused by these accessibility options. But I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. Hit the thumbs up. Let me know down below what exactly was causing the issue for you, and subscribe so we don't miss each other in the future. We can see each other then. So subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.